Hello friends, in this video, I'll show you how to create a trackable QR code in AceToolz. As you can see, we have various categories to choose from. This is the form area. Let's start by entering the QR code name and URL. On the right, you can see a live preview of your QR code. It updates as you make changes. Now, let's customize it. Here, you can change the data pattern, corner dots, and colors. You can also upload a custom logo for the center. Here, select your preferred size and download format. If you want a static QR code with no tracking, simply click Download QR code. But for a trackable QR code, check this box and click the button below. This opens the Create Trackable QR Code form. You can optionally set an expiry date. You can also schedule activation for a specific time if needed. And you can disable analytics from here if you prefer. Now, download it immediately or save it for later. And we're done. Let me show you how to track your QR code. In the dashboard, go to My QR Codes to see all your dynamic QR codes. Click on any QR code to open it. Here you'll see all the details you entered, plus the analytics dashboard showing scan data, locations, and devices. To re-download your QR code, use this button and select your format. You can also edit the URL or other details anytime from here. That's it. Use the link below to create your own trackable QR code. Thanks for watching.